Welcome to Penshyre Place, an exclusive community of new homes in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Located in the town of Souderton, Penshyre Place offers the perfect balance of privacy and convenience. Just 4 blocks from the vibrant Broad Street, this community provides residents easy access to a variety of local amenities, including parks, shops, and plenty of dining options. Whether you're looking for a quiet evening out, weekend entertainment, or family-friendly activities, everything you need is right at your doorstep. In addition to its proximity to local attractions, Penshyre Place boasts an exceptional location with seamless connectivity to major travel routes. The Pennsylvania Turnpike and Route 309 are just minutes away, making commuting to Philadelphia or Allentown effortless. Whether you're driving into the city for work or exploring the natural beauty of the nearby regions, this location is suitable for any lifestyle. Along with accessibility, this community boasts the convenience of maintaining direct access to public water, sewer, and gas utilities. Penshyre Place is a small, private community of just 5 home sites. This means more space, less noise, and the freedom to build a home that truly suits your preferences. Choose from some of our most popular floor plans and hand-picked customization options that meet your individual style and needs. Explore these limited home sites and begin the journey by building your custom home at Penshyre Place.